What's the meaning of armlock? Armlock. Armlock.
Armlock. Armlock. An armlock is a grappling technique used in martial arts and self-defense to immobilize an opponent by hyperextending or hyperrotating their arm. This can result in significant pain or even injury to the joint, causing the opponent to submit or become incapacitated. Armlocks can be applied from various positions such as standing, sitting, or on the ground, and can be used to control or subdue an opponent. Mastery of armlocks requires both technical skill and physical strength, making them a key component of many combat sports and martial arts disciplines.